Okay, break time's over. Ready?
Let's go.
Make sure you're not holding that very tight.
I know.
Slow down. Nope, still got a little piece there. Okay, go over it a little bit over here.
Okay.
Oh,
Good?
yeah, that's good. A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, that's good.
Alright.
Now we gotta go this way.
Alright.
Oh, hold on, let me turn it off.
Alright, so...
Move this.
Okay.
You want to come in through here?
Yeah. Alright.
There you go, this way.
Okay. That can be very easy for me to do this with two hands because I don't want to hurt myself.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Inside the line. Easy. Right.
What is going on? Whoa.
They got loosened up. That shouldn't have happened.
That thing. Crazy.
Okay, that should not have happened. All right, I got to reattach this to the Dremel.
How did that happen?
Okay, Dremel's back in action. Ready?
Alright, let's do this.
Alright, we still got to do, see how it's still connected here,
Yeah, right at the very corner.
and here, and here. Okay?
At this corner.
This side's fine.
Okay.
So, since you're already in here this way,
Uh-huh.
do this,
Okay.
this side here.
Okay. Whoa, that's stuck.
Ready?
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Here?
Yeah. Right in the corner. Alright. Alright, let's move this and come back the other way.
Okay.
So you could do this, this, and this.
Okay.
Alright. Ready?
Yep. How is that?
Gotta go over a little bit more.
Over here?
Yeah, in the corner. Alright. Okay, over here. Okay, we'll do that by hand.
Alright.
Alright, that's pretty much it for that. We're just gonna do the other the corners there that are still attached by hand. File it up, clean up the edges a little bit, get the vacuum cleaner out,
Clean that up.
and I guess we're done for now. We'll be back for more. Stay tuned. All right, we're finished cleaning up the hole. We got a little bit of sandpaper, file, cleaned up the edges a little bit. I'm gonna get forgot what it's called, the same type of channel that you put around windows. So I'm going to put that around here to clean it up a little bit, make it look a little bit better. But you could see all four holes, all four mounting holes are accessible. That's exactly what I wanted. And all with the help of my 15-year-old. But, and then, you know, everybody that's watching this is probably wondering, well, why didn't we turn the case upside down and do all the cutting from this side? Well, that would have been a little bit easier, but we don't have a lot of room to work with. Actually, very little room. Now you could turn that off. But the reason being is, let me back up a little bit here. I gotta learn how to stay in frame. But the reason being is that plus with all the Dremel cutting, all the shavings and everything got caught inside the case. So it made cleanup a lot easier. Maybe a little bit harder for her to actually use the Dremel and cut the hole out, which really wasn't all that bad. I mean, it worked out, but that was the main reason for doing that, because if it would have been the other way, there would have been shavings and everything all over the place. And considering that I'm doing this inside the house, not inside of a garage, this really helped a lot of cleanup. I put a piece of cardboard against the back of the case, so nothing would, go flying out the openings here. And basically, that's the main reason why we had it the way we had it, and that's why we cut it the way we did. Basically, to make cleanup a lot easier. Okay, that's it for now. This should end this portion of the video. I got to sit down and do some more brainstorming on what's going to be done. Do some video editing.